Today I'm going to show you how to get over-the-air full 4K digital TV for free. So if you're at a cottage, or if you're on a boat, or camping, if you just don't want to pay 30 bucks a month, this little antenna is going to get you over-the-air signal. It reaches over 1,000 miles. We're going to install it, we're going to auto-program, and we're going to see what you get. Stay tuned for the whole video.
What the heck is this? This is going to give you 4K channels for free so you can eliminate your regular television. You're going to get full HD digital channels on any TV, LCD, LED, or the old school ones. With this, there's nothing else that you need to plug in except the antenna and plug the USB into power. Put this on the roof or even inside the house and you're going to get, well, a lot of channels. So if you want to say an extra 25 bucks a month or 30, whatever you're paying, I say get it. So this is your hardcore heavy duty antenna. You basically just put it together. Weighs quite a lot, just a bunch of metal, and then you just connect it to your TV. So let's go put this together and try it out. Now I take this, look out for this notch, and then the notch is going to line up from the back, which is the bowing. Place it like this and clip it. I'll take this, you're going to have the antenna, and then this is going to go this way, and then there you go. Then you take your wings and you slide them through here. Screw. Take the cover and then just place it over to cover the screws from the elements. And the clamp is attached to the pole that you're going to be attaching this onto. Alright, so now we're going to hook up the antenna. So this is your splitter. One end goes to the TV. This is the short end. It just goes to your old school antenna port. The other end is your 5-volt USB. Now they did not give you a cube, so you're gonna have to get your own, or you can connect this to like a power bank or anything. Plug this in at the bottom right here, and you're gonna get your green light. So now you take your coaxial long cable. By the way, you can always get an extension. One end is the weatherproof. This is what you connect to the antenna outside. The tall one is where you put in the end, and then the other one is the splitter. So if you want to go to the second TV, you go from here to the next TV, but you're gonna have to get your own cable. All right, so we're gonna go and switch to source. Right now it says weak or no signal, so we're gonna HDMI and DTV air. So this is digital TV. So right now we're leaving this out and we're doing a quick test, and we're just gonna attach it right there. We're gonna see if this actually worked. Well, look at that. Oh, this is Graham Norton. It's actually really good signal. It's like HD. So let's see now if we got different channels, because we don't scan anything yet. Oh my gosh, tons of channels. And this is without scanning. Global TV. So the signal strength is not bad, but again, that's not even being on the roof. All right, so we're gonna auto program this. So now it's gonna just go through and pick up whatever it can. And remember, if you position it one way on the roof or another one, you may have to just do this again. It's gonna pick up more channels. 33 channels. That's pretty good. And remember, signal that's actually coming down is from here. So imagine if we put this up on the roof. So we're gonna go and put this on the roof, and I'm gonna show you how many more channels you actually get. So we're gonna go and put the antenna right here on the roof. So he's gotta climb it. So this pipe is a little too thick, so we're gonna go and use zip ties instead. And take the zip tie and feed it through. This is how we tighten this up, and this is facing Buffalo. Now we are feeding the cable on the side, so you have to find a way to get this inside the house. All right, so we pulled it through, and now we're gonna go and reconnect it to the main one. So that's in. Let's turn on the TV. Let's see if it works still. Now we're gonna see if we get more channels. Hopefully we will, but if not, it's okay. It had to be done anyway. So we're gonna run auto program. Last time we had 33. This time we got 43. So there you go, full 4K. Not only is this great for not paying for cable, but it's also amazing if you have a cottage, if you're on a boat, you can get TV absolutely anywhere, as long as you can connect it to power. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.